Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to draw these adorable ducks. Let's get started. First, we will begin by sketching the basic shapes. For the duck's bodies, draw two oval shapes. Position them so that one duck is slightly behind the other. Next, add the heads. Draw small circles at the top of each oval. Make sure the circles are slightly off center to give a natural pose. Now let's work on the beaks. Draw a small triangle shape extending from each head. Ducks have rounded beaks, so make sure that the tips are not too sharp. For the eyes, draw a small dot on each head if you want. This will give the ducks a cute and simple look. Next we will add the wings. Draw a curved line starting from the middle of the body and curving downwards. Repeat this step for the second duck. Let's move on to the legs. Draw two straight lines extending from the bottom of each body. Add small ovals at the ends for the feet. Don't forget to add a few lines to indicate the toes. Now that we have the basic shapes, let's refine our drawing. Go over the outline to smooth out the shapes and add any necessary details. Finally, let's add some shading. Lightly shade the underside of the ducks to give them some dimension. You can also add a few lines to represent the texture of their feathers. And there you have it, two cute ducks ready to waddle around. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.